Today I'll be talking about Moodle Zoom to Panopto integration. This Zoom feature will allow your Zoom recordings to be automatically saved in your Panopto account. Before setting up the integration, we do recommend that you provision your Panopto in each of your classes. We have instructions on how to do that from our Faculty Menus Help library at the top of Moodle. Since this integration is a Panopto setting, you will only need to enable the Zoom to Panopto integration once, the way that I will be demonstrating shortly. And the setting will apply to all of your Moodle courses that use Zoom and have Panopto added and provisioned. First, you'll need to log into Panopto by going to oakland.hosted.panopto.com. Log in using your Moodle credentials. Once you're in your library, click on your name or your initials in the upper right corner. Click on User Settings. Check the box at the bottom. Click Update. Now Zoom recordings that are made in your Moodle course will automatically show up in your Panopto library. An important thing to remember is that when you record your Zoom sessions, you'll need to record to the cloud. If you choose to record to your computer, the Zoom to Panopto integration will not work, and you would have to manually upload your video file of your Zoom recording into your Panopto folders from your computer. For more information, please reference the Faculty menu in Moodle and select Video Conferencing for Zoom Help or Lecture Capture for Panopto Help. Thanks.